Oh my god. Don't do that! That's so mean.
Lick it.
What if she doesn't like it? What if she likes the other stuff? What if she's a Catalina cat? Okay.
Dance, my little puppet, dance! Dance, my little puppet! Lick your nose, little puppet! Lick your nose, little puppet!
You're so fucked up.
Oh my god, there's lettuce!
Why are you throwing shit at me, you dirty bitch? You're a horrible person.
Horribly.
Her cat's made, her tongue's made of sandpaper.
She likes it a lot! God, dude, hurry up!
No, she's getting it all in her fur, trying to get it all.
You want some ham? You want some ham? Oh.
So fuck you and your interesting bitch.
You want some hammy poop? You want some honey poop?
Dippy!